Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today I am just showing you guys how I do thicker two-strand twist on my client. Her hair is freshly washed. I also set her up under the steamer. And we are just doing two-strand twist. You guys know I went back to the basics. I use grease, I use rose water, I use oil. I don't use all them different other products. I like to always grease my client's scalp as I am doing their hair. We are again going to be doing two-strand twist on her hair. And just wanted to show you guys what I am doing. I would love for you guys to come get your hair done. I will include all my information in the video description box. Please don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button as we speak. And I would love for you guys to rate and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Just sit back and enjoy.
I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell.
They say all lives matter, but when black lives matter, then really it don't matter to these straps firing at us. Cause they doing what they doing, cause we too busy consuming every party favor that they threw in. Wonder why we lose, cause we steady on this dumb shit, bouncing to a drum kick, so content with nothing, having fun until the sun hit. Some will get a taste, but it's a time and it's a place, and you can't replace your past or the time that you waste. You ain't trying to be great, you just lying in the way of the jungles that we come from. Lions trying to escape, or the science of the science. We the rising of the apes, call me Caesar. And if I gotta be the one to lead us, I'm a son of the rain, and my brother name is Jesus. Pay attention, see we ain't got no business in the kitchen. We the henchmen who go out and get it, fathers of invention, and the symmetry of energy, the shit that they don't mention. It's a trap, they push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent wars, just because we black. Man, it's a trap. You probably never get rich selling crack, but the fact is our children is slipping through the crack. And it's a trap. The vision that we living in is lack, and the prison is a business that we carry on our back. Man, it's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent ones just because we black. Man, it's a trap. It's a trap. Since they ain't got no use, they rather lock us up and make us fruit so we can't reproduce. See, the proof is in the media, the music, and the leadership. Don't matter who you sleeping with, my kids don't need to see that shit. Crossbreeding with the same evil deeds that they beat us with. Generation curses birth the seeds that'll keep them rich. Even if Illuminati try to crucify me, know I'm going down shooting. For this truth they won't deny me. Say deny me to my face, I deny you at the gates. What if heaven ain't a place and all this faith is just a waste? I say what if hell is real, then it ain't no way to escape. See, the thing that I learned through my burdens on this earth is to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. And the church folks the worst folks, cause they only react, got their eyes on their ties, and the preachers in the back using money to manipulate. It's just another trap. It's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent wars just because we black. Man, it's a trap. You probably never get rich selling crack, but the fact is our children is slipping through the crack. Man, it's a trap. The vision that we living in is lack, and the prison is a business that we carry on our back. Man, it's a trap. They push our buttons just so we react, and then label us the violent ones just because we black. Man, it's a trap.
I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped. I'd rather die than be trapped in this living hell.
Okay guys, so I'm done sectioning. Wanted to show you I'm using aloe vera gel. Unfortunately my camera wasn't focusing, but that is aloe vera gel. I am done sectioning, detangling the hair. I like to always make sure I do that before you start off doing hair. Is so important, so that's why I wanted to get that on camera. And now what I'm about to do is I'm about to start twisting. I am also using that gel that I love. It's called the Lock and Twist gel. Just using that on the edges. Using my favorite rose water also. You're going to be needing some duckbill clips and a comb. When my client has thick hair, I like to always use a bigger comb, especially to comb through. You never want to comb through with small combs. I usually part off with the small comb and then comb with the big comb. So like I said, I'm just sectioning, getting it ready. She said she wanted bigger parts. She did not want the parts to be super small because that takes longer getting out. So that's a tip. If you want to get your hair out quicker, use thicker hair and have your twists thicker. So just wanted to come through and let you guys know. Again, I'll be I'll be greasing her scalp as I am going. Someone also asked me, why do I use the little clippies on the end? I like to use the clippies on the end because it holds down the twist. So you know how natural hair just naturally shrinks up? If you put those, the little clips on the end, it keeps it nice and stretched. Okay, so just wanted to tell you that, but continue to watch. I wanted to show you guys from beginning to end. So hopefully you are enjoying it and you getting something from it. If you are getting something from this, please in the comment screen, in the comments, let me know down below. Say, I am, this video really helped me out. If this video helped you, I hope it did. These are some great, this is a great protective style. Like if you want something super easy, super quick, this is a very good protective style. I love two-strand twist. Okay.